The following video will guide you through the correct use of our generator for the first time. Step 1. Adding engine oil. Before adding engine oil, ensure the generator is placed on a stable and level surface. Locate and remove the side panel of the generator using the designated screws. The oil filler port is positioned inside the side compartment. Remove the oil filler cap and slowly add the recommended engine oil. Avoid touching hot surfaces and keep the surrounding area free from flammable materials. Be careful not to overfill. Use the dipstick to check that the oil level is above 50%. After filling, securely reinstall the oil filler cap. Clean any residual oil from the outside of the oil filler cap. Finally, place the side panel back into position and tighten all screws to ensure proper installation. Step 2. Adding fuel. Before refueling, make sure all switches on the generator are turned off. Open the fuel tank cap and fill the tank with clean, unleaded gasoline. Refuel only in a well-ventilated area and avoid any sparks or open flames nearby. After refueling, tighten the fuel tank cap and rotate the fuel tank cap vent lever clockwise to the on position. Step 3. Starting the generator. To start the generator, set the fuel valve to the start position. Pull the starter rope firmly. Switch the fuel switch from the start position to the run position. Ensure the generator is used in a well-ventilated outdoor area, and keep children and unauthorized persons away during operation. After the generator is running normally, you can switch the operating mode based on your power usage requirements. Press the Econ (SW) button on the control panel to switch between Eco mode and Power mode. To shut off the generator, simply turn the fuel switch to the stop position. Rotate the fuel tank cap vent lever counterclockwise to the OFF position. This prevents gasoline power from being used.